Yeah, if you put it here, we'll just break it down. We're gonna have to carry it all upstairs. Yeah, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams. It is May 1st, 2025. We're in Palo Alto. We just unloaded our Planar DL Pro 1.2. So that's what we're showing you guys today. Check it out. I thought it was 25 cabinets, but it's not. It's gonna be 10 cabinets total. So it's gonna be 5 across that are 36-inch tall, and then 5 across that are 27-inch tall.
Well, this is shielded Cat 6, shielded connectors, 10 gigabit connectors. The regular ones are maybe like a nice Toyota vehicle. These ones right here are for Ferraris.
So just so everybody knows, we gotta find the center of the wall. Someone wants to mark that out. And then 4 inches up is our bottom.
Setting up an LED wall today. We got the whole crew out here today. Not the whole crew, but we got a big proportion of our crew out here. I am trying to place this mounting bracket in the proper position. When I was young, I could do the cartwheel backflip, you know what I'm saying? And I just thought I was just the coolest ever. Like,
then you got into wheelies?
Early. Man. Where you get this at? Mono price?
Google.
I forgot my deodorant today.
Yep, the power goes straight up. Yep, then data goes 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. The plywood is sunk too far into the wall, so it's out of the limit of the puck. So the Z is at a max level, so we're putting a bunch of spacers to basically bring that plywood to the same face as the sheetrock because the guy sunk it in too far. We're almost done with that part. Should be good. We want to replace that speaker with this speaker. I wonder if those are 70 volt too, or if we could just take them over for him. He said we could remove them and not do the sound masking anymore. If that grill comes off, take those over and just rehook them up to our wire.
It's not my progress. It's the lead technician right there. The lead engineer. Yeah, you gotta ask that guy. Lead designer. Oh no, it was the lead liaison. That's what he said he was. Yeah. He wears many hats. Look, even his hat has a hat.
Say it again.
That's not satisfactory, you know what I'm saying, in Digital Dreams' way of doing things. It has to be done according to spec.
All right, come on, man. Get up this next cabinet, man. Get up this next cabinet, man.
I retracted the power for you already.
Hey, you're all right, man. What is the liaison without a great helper? You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say.
I'm being a great assistant, helping out to my fullest extent.
You are assistant pimp. You will never be a pimp.
Can I have you back up real quick so I can get a snap of this thing?
Come on, man. You ain't even did nothing, man. You can't take no pictures, man.
It's for your benefit.
We're gonna get this thing going. Every time you go across the edge.
Keep it populated. We got one last module to swap. We knocked it out one day, dude. Everybody was working beautifully together, dude. Just perfect harmony today, dude. 2 guys on the rack, 3 guys on the wall. Trash done. Planar, late but still got it done. It's packed up. We're all packed up. We're good. That's it, man. Thank you.